Onions are most known for their pungent flavor. They are in a way an overlooked vegetable, although they've been used around the world for countless of years. Onions are packed with powerful antioxidants that can help lower your risk of cancer, improve immune health, and much more. There are different types of onions and colors. Besides the well-known red, yellow and white, there are shallots and green onions. Onion in general is a vegetable that is both flavorful and healthy. However, the dark reddish-purple type has way more health benefits than its counterparts. Red onions are packed with some unique powerful chemical compounds, namely quercetin and anthocyanins, that are associated with many impressive health benefits. Quercetin is one of the most studied dietary flavonoids. It has been proven to support heart health and protect against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress causes damage to organs and tissues. Anthocyanin, another chemical compound in red onions, is known to reduce inflammation and help protect you from heart disease, Alzheimer's, and certain types of cancer, to name a few. Anthocyanins give onions their reddish color. In this video, we'll be exploring 12 health benefits of eating red onions and the correct ways to consume them. Number 1 is brain health. In addition to quercetin and anthocyanins, onions are also rich in sulfur. The sulfur compounds in raw onions increase the production of neurotransmitters in the brain, which help improve memory and concentration. Studies found that regular consumption of foods high in quercetin, such as onions, lowers the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Number 2. Digestive health. Onions are good for your gut. They are rich in prebiotics and fiber. Fructans is a prebiotic in onion that nourishes the gut-healthy bacteria, leading to optimal digestive function. Not moving your bowels regularly? How about eating onions more often to stay regular? Their fiber content adds bulk to stools, promoting regular bowel movement and preventing constipation. Furthermore, it is documented that the sulfur compounds in onions inhibit the growth of H. pylori, a bacteria that causes gastric ulcers. A word of caution: some people have reported stomach issues such as cramping when they eat raw onions, as they find it hard to digest. It is best to start with sautéed onions and eventually work your way to raw. Let's move to number 3. Heart health. The rich content of quercetin in onions helps fight inflammation, protect from oxidative stress and regulate blood pressure. Additionally, these compounds decrease triglycerides and normalize cholesterol levels. This in turn protects the arterial walls from plaque buildup, reducing the risk of stroke and heart attacks. It is suggested that eating onions regularly reduces CRP, an inflammatory marker associated with increased rate of cardiac disease. Number 4. Bone health. Studies show that older women who eat onions regularly have a lower incidence of hip fractures. The sulfur compounds in onions help strengthen bones, increase bone density, reduce your risk of osteoporosis and multiple fractures. Number 5. Onion have anti-inflammatory properties. Raw onions are loaded with quercetin, vitamin C and anthocyanins, all of which help protect your body from inflammation. Chronic inflammation is known as the source of many major health issues, such as arthritis, heart disease and cancer. The quercetin in onions helps in the treatment of allergies by preventing immune cells from releasing histamine. In doing so, symptoms of allergies such as runny nose, watery eyes, and hives are greatly reduced. Quercetin also assists in alleviating joint pain and stiffness in people with arthritis. Eating raw or lightly sautéed onions few times a week is a great way to help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Number 6. Cancer prevention. Studies show that regular consumption of red onions has been linked to a lower risk of certain cancers. Quercetin, anthocyanins and sulfur compounds in red onions help fight against free radicals that can cause cancer. They have been shown in many studies to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Studies suggest that frequent consumption of red onions is associated with a lower risk of laryngeal, ovarian, breast and colorectal cancer. 7. Immune health. Onions contain allicin, a sulfur compound that destroys various bacteria and viruses. It's a good practice to eat raw or lightly sautéed onions when you feel the onset of a cold. This vegetable is also rich in vitamin C, which protects the body from oxidative stress. Additionally, the quercetin in onions acts as a natural antihistamine, reducing allergies. Onions are often used as expectorants to treat respiratory congestion and flu symptoms. Furthermore, the sulfur compounds in onions help reduce the thickness of mucus in the lungs, allowing for easier expectoration. Before we proceed, aren't you yet impressed by the many health benefits of onions? Let's continue with number 8. Men's health. Eating raw onions every day helps boost the luteinizing hormone, which promotes healthy sperm production and boosts testosterone levels. In addition, the flavonoids in red onions stimulate the release of nitric oxide, an essential neurotransmitter that increases blood flow to sexual organs. A 2008 study suggests that men who consume onion regularly have a lower risk of prostate enlargement than those who do not. Number 9. Blood sugar control. The effects of diabetes can be quite serious. Onions are high in chromium and biotin, which can help decrease insulin resistance, regulate blood sugar levels, therefore decreasing the need for insulin. If you have diabetes, eating onions on a daily basis is an excellent way to help control your blood sugar levels. In addition, onions have a low glycemic index. Number 10. Anti-aging. Onions are rich in vitamin C and biotin, which help slow down the aging process. Eating onions is an affordable option for maintaining beautiful skin. The high content of vitamin C, sulfur and biotin in onions promote healthy youthful skin, help in the production of collagen, and support tissue repair. Furthermore, the well-known quercetin in onions can potentially help fade dark spots, contributing to a more even skin tone. Number 11. Eye health. Want to improve your eyesight? Consuming onions every day is a great way to start. The rich content of sulfur in onions stimulates the production of glutathione, which acts as an antioxidant protecting the lens of your eyes. Adequate levels of glutathione are beneficial in preventing and improving visual issues, such as glaucoma, macular degeneration and cataracts. Furthermore, onions are a good source of vitamin C, which helps protect your eyes against free radicals. As you can see, eating onions can obviously help you see better. Last on the list is number 12. Dental health. Some of you have probably complained of onion or garlic breath. Well, let me tell you, onions can do much better when it comes to your teeth. Believe it or not, raw onions can definitely help you smile more often. The high levels of sulfur compounds in onions can help eliminate harmful bacteria that cause tooth decay. It is suggested that chewing on raw onions on a regular basis, for about 2 minutes or so, can strengthen teeth, eliminate bacteria, and prevent tooth decay. In conclusion, red onions are packed with nutrients. They protect from certain types of cancers, support the immune system, improve bone density, help with memory, boost testosterone, promote youthful skin, and much more. To get the most health benefits from red onions, avoid overpeeling them. Quercetin is more concentrated in the outer layers. Just peel back the thin covering, and wash the onions in cold water. Make sure to subscribe, so you don't miss out on videos with valuable contents.